Help protect your vehicle's beauty and sparkling finish with remarkably durable, Toyota-approved Pro Series paint protection film. When driving, stones and road debris, and even bug acids can damage your hood and fenders and eat away at one of your biggest investments. Made of extremely tough material, this virtually invisible Pro Series paint protection film is applied to the front surfaces of your vehicle. Toyota's Pro Series paint protection film has self-healing technology that allows minor scratches to virtually disappear, keeping the paint and film looking new. The Toyota-approved Pro Series paint protection film has undergone extensive performance and durability tests. A highly skilled and trained installer at your Toyota dealer will apply paint protection film kits that are specially designed and tailor-fitted for the contours of your model of Toyota. The Toyota-approved paint protection film wraps around the front hood edge. This provides additional protection to the leading edge of the hood that may be exposed to chipping. Once installed, the film's near-invisible shield can be waxed just like your vehicle's paint to help maintain the original high-gloss shine of your Toyota. Visit accessories.toyota.ca for more details or visit your Toyota dealership today.